Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, gloves are off. A distraught woman refuses to believe and accept her husband's fate. Ndlovu tries to summon the evil inside of Manzimande. On Tuesday, when reality strikes, Ndlovu reaches out to his daughter and manages to knock some sense into her. Kapsile sings Difa's praise after he imparts some words of wisdom. Ndlovu blames himself for the curse. On Wednesday, gone forever. Nomkhosi fights tooth and nail for the search to happen, but something disturbing is found. Mazungu sees dollar signs. Pressure mounts on Gabi. On Thursday, Mime Mkhululi is alive. Spamandla makes peace with his brother's demons, but Ndlovu has a plan. Manzimande turns on Mthembu. Difa tells Mamzobe, "I told you so." On Friday, Nomkhosi's choice. Nomkhosi does everything in her power to save Kulegani's church. Makhoza expresses worry to Kamadondo about Ndlovu. Nobuntu receives unexpected good news. Thank you for watching.